Don't miss Beyond the Wig, a powerful Jamaican stage play written by Sabrina Thomas and directed by Chris Johnny Daly.
Writers and the cast, very good.
Nice, fresh talent. It's good to see fresh talent.
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
There are some little twists in the plot, totally unexpected.
Tonight was an excellent production. I had a wonderful time, a belly full of laughter.
Come watch this compelling story unfold. Beyond the Wig, now showing at Johnny's Place, 35 Dunrobin Avenue, Kingston. Book your tickets today. Call 876-260-1637 or 876-354-0372. Benefits also available. Beyond the Wig, now showing at Johnny's Place.
Raffle and drawing. That's the game for tonight.
So whatever is picked from the bag,
Yeah?
that's what will be drawing.
Yeah, draw whatever we pick on the back.
Right.
You hear people?
We only have 30
And
seconds.
we have 30 seconds to draw.
Who's picking first?
Shake up the bag, man. Shake up the bag. So as my pick, when we start drawing?
No.
Oh, okay.
Why, Professor? Why did I rule?
Can we know what you guys pick so we can
Do what?
let the audience know what you'll be drawing? The audience will be judging.
So
Who
he
is-
picks the coconut drop.
Yes, sir.
Coconut drops.
Why?
No, you should have made you guess it, try guess it.
No.
Coconut drops. Coconut drops.
Now one coconut as well.
Well done, man. We can pick something else?
No.
Coconut drops.
People will let you know who is the winner.
Draw some
You're no, Jesus.
Which one then?
The coat of ours.
Malik!
Oh, wait, look again.
one crocodile on the top.
Alright, let me know when you're ready, Shan, so the timer can sit.
Alright, so on your mark, get set,
Draw.
Goes.
Draw.
At the top part of the coat of arms, they're
Look
big
like
with
a
the
brain.
alligator.
A brain. Look at boy says a brain. The brain that look like.
I drops this?
Yeah.
Alright.
People,
It's like a rock cake.
the producer, I must mad man about coconut drops. We're going to draw coconut drops so we understand what coconut drops. Them people,
You look like a country.
these are the coconut drops.
Alright.
How you ever know say coconut?
I quarter farms that's supposed to be.
First of all, me not see the coat now there. And this crocodile alone the for your coat of
Alright, so if people then will decide who won the first round.
People on the ears on to decide who win the first round.
Brother give brain, the brain, yeah. Brother give brain that one thing.
Now I'll say that look like a brain. So, how would I ever know say coconut drops? Unless you give me coconut for put body. Give people more realistic things to draw.
Fluff is a shan that looks like a brain in red.
And a red they get for thing that for dry thing too.
oh, which one you want that?
Crocodile Nala.
Them people, yeah.
Them a judge. Who win, people?
You can't win because we're two tiny them there. We're cool.
Never done a 30 seconds we get.
We're out of many one people something there. Where the shield there?
Yeah, we.
Where's the culture? Oh my god.
Alright now.
Look to buy coat of arm, you look better with my giant.
Yes.
Producer want help. Ready?
I should.
Oh,
Wait.
draw
To
again.
you.
Best at you?
Two, best at two.
To you.
Oh, just.
Come people.
So,
If I miss a two,
Who will
I'm
run
already.
Nobody say nobody know it.
Kenisha say nobody know win. Fluffy say it's It's a losing time. Oh my God.
Alright, so nobody knows.
Look like Blue Moon Peak. Way that long.
Me a forfeit this, cause this can't make no sense.
Where that?
I
Me
can't
no-
catfish.
Yo, put them something there.
Like me I tell you, it don't make no sense.
Yo.
You have to draw things where when you look on it you can say, you can compare to something.
I said them as
That no make no, it no make no sense.
Aki and draw
If you
starfish.
say Aki and
We
Zara,
can draw the word
draw.
Aki and put the starfish there too.
how do you draw that?
I set them as a people for
you
them.
draw?
laugh.
You draw Aki and starfish, show me. Make sure say it look like food.
What Aki and starfish? They be them for fools.
None of this to me.
I said them as a two
Anyway,
here.
let's-
Draw Blue Moon. I
Junior
don't
say
understand.
it looks
Say no more
close,
to
but
draw.
Gizzard.
now eat it.
Even people,
Okay, so black.
me expect things where you can
Junior say it looks close, but for real, it
more
looks close.
realistic things when you draw.
This don't look like Aki and starfish.
Yo, that look like this like crabs.
The same body and the two right there.
Real away.
Yo, we don't want that.
Me mother, me a soul rest. God know, me can't bother.
How about that chili? How about that? Oh God. These are the Aki and starfish?
It look like lava.
People. Yeah. And these are crabs this. Aki and crabfish.